You open your IELTS writing exam. The clock is ticking. You have exactly 40 minutes to analyze a prompt, outline your thoughts, and write a Band 7+ Task 2 essay. The pressure makes it incredibly easy to freeze. But you can approach this with a repeatable, logic-based formula. Today, we are going to remove the panic. We will build a foolproof 4-paragraph outline, and then draft a perfect, high-scoring body paragraph together, sentence by sentence. Grab a pen and a piece of paper. Here is the specific prompt we are tackling. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of living and working in a foreign country. Relying on a proven framework eliminates exam day paralysis. It tells you exactly what to write next, ensuring consistent results. Step 1. Draw 4 large boxes on your page. For an advantages and disadvantages prompt, these 4 boxes form a reliable structural map. Each box has a specific function. Box 1 is your introduction. Box 2 is body paragraph 1, dedicated entirely to advantages. Box 3 is body paragraph 2, for disadvantages. And the final box is your conclusion. You must avoid the one-sided trap. Even if you believe moving abroad is entirely beneficial, writing only about the advantages is a critical error. Missing the disadvantages means you fail to address the prompt fully, leading to a significant score penalty. Task achievement on the IELTS relies on fulfilling the specific structural expectations of the examiner. Let's move to the introduction box. The intro should be direct and structured. It needs to fulfill 3 specific functions in exactly 3 sentences. Sentence 1 accurately paraphrases the prompt using your own words. Sentence 2 explicitly acknowledges that there are both pros and cons to the issue. Sentence 3 is your thesis statement. It outlines exactly what the rest of the essay will discuss. Here is how that looks in practice. Living or working abroad for an extended period is becoming increasingly common. While this lifestyle offers many opportunities, it also comes with difficulties. This essay will examine both the benefits and challenges of moving overseas. Memorizing this 3-sentence template saves you precious exam minutes. You set the stage quickly and reserve your mental energy for the body paragraphs. To build a dense, perfectly coherent body paragraph, we use the TEAL method. T is for topic. State your specific advantage clearly and directly. One key benefit of moving overseas is the opportunity to gain exposure to new cultures. The first E is explanation. Explain why that topic sentence is an actual advantage. Interacting with diverse backgrounds helps individuals expand their worldview. The second E is example. Ground your explanation with a specific scenario. For instance, adapting to different social norms and learning a new language can foster independence. L is for link. Connect your example back to the core topic. Such experiences often contribute to increased confidence. When you combine these 4 engineered sentences, they form a cohesive paragraph. TEAL enforces a logical progression that meets the specific grading criteria for coherence and cohesion. While the TEAL structure guarantees coherence, achieving a top score requires an academic, objective tone. The first obstacle is the generalization trap. IELTS examiners penalize sweeping, absolute statements because they lack nuance. If you write, "Everyone gets lonely abroad," you are making an unprovable claim. We fix this by hedging. Some individuals may experience loneliness. The next obstacle is the vague trap. Using informal, spoken English weakens your academic argument. Instead of, "This is a good thing," use precise academic terms. This is a beneficial aspect. And rather than "people want to work remotely," you apply the upgrade. Many individuals prefer to work remotely. Employing hedging language and precise vocabulary shifts your writing toward the Band 8 descriptors for lexical resource. Look at the work you've done. You transformed a blank page into a structural map and drafted a perfectly formatted body paragraph. This is the strategy you've built: a rigid structural map and a TEAL-powered argument free of common traps. Now it is time for your homework. Set an 8-minute timer and use the TEAL formula to write body paragraph 2 regarding the disadvantages. Consistent practice with this formula ensures you can execute on exam day. Subscribe to the channel and we will break down the next essay format together.